In this video, I'll be discussing 11-8, which has to do with problem solving and hidden questions. Remember, hidden questions are something that you must answer and solve first before you can move on and solve the second step of a multi-step problem. This says a website has a daily trivia contest. You have 1.5 hours to submit an answer on Monday through Wednesday and 1 1/4 hour to submit an answer Thursday and Friday. How many total hours per week do you have to submit an answer? So first, I need to figure out the total for Monday through Wednesday, and then I need to figure out the total for Thursday and Friday. So really, I'm answering the hidden questions. How many total hours do you have on Monday through Wednesday? And how many total hours do you have to submit an answer on Thursday and Friday? Those are the two things I must answer first before I can answer my final question here. So Monday through Wednesday is 3 days, and I can spend 1.5 hours each day. So I need to multiply 3 times 1.5. Really, in this case, since we haven't quite talked about multiplying a whole number and a mixed number, I can add up 1.5 3 times. So 1.5 plus 1.5, I'm thinking about it like money, is 3, and then I'm going to add on one more 1.5 to get 4 1/2. So Monday through Wednesday you can spend 4.5 hours, and then Thursday and Friday I can spend 1 1/4 hours, which would be 2 2/4 or 2 1/2. Now I can add up my two parts. 4 1/2 plus 2 1/2 equals 7. So 7 hours is my final answer. Here's another multi-step problem. John has 1 3/4 hours of homework each night, Monday through Friday, and 2 5/8 hours total of homework over the weekend. How long does he spend on homework each week? So if we think about it, his week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, might help us to draw a picture. So every night, Monday through Friday, he has 1 3/4 hours. And then his weekend is kind of grouped together, Saturday and Sunday. And that's just one amount, 2 5/8. So the first thing I need to do is figure out how much time he spends on homework during the week. So to do that, I'm going to multiply 5 times 1 3/4. So I can turn this into a mixed number, or an improper fraction. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7, 7/4, times 5, which is 5 over 1. And then I can multiply straight across, 35 over 4, which equals, if I divide 35 by 4, that goes in 8 times, which is 32. So I have a remainder of 3, so that's, 8 3/4. Okay, so that is the answer to the first part of my question. Right there, I answered the hidden question, how many hours does John spend on homework Monday through Friday? That is the hidden question I just answered. Now I can find the answer to the real question, how long does he spend on homework each week? To do that, I'm going to add up 2 5/8 plus 8 3/4. I'm adding up how much he spends on the weekdays versus the weekends. Remember, back to adding mixed numbers and fractions, we need to have a common denominator. So this would be 6/8. So I'm going to get 11/8 and 10. So 10 11/8 is equivalent to 11 3/8. So he spends 11 3/8 hours on homework each week. I want you to try this one on your own. A movie costs $5.50 for children and $6.75 for adults. Mr. and Mrs. Jones took their son and his 2 friends to the movies. How much did they pay in all? So this is a multi-step problem. You're going to have to do more than one step to get your final answer. Please write down the final answer and the hidden question that you solved. So you need an answer and a hidden question. I know the hidden questions are tricky, but we'll focus on that tomorrow together. I want you to try your best tonight, though. Good luck.